Wait for your heat to move. 220, number 6, Shaka Shaka. Profile. Hello, 220 around the island. Hello, 220 Shaka Shaka. 220, 2585, waving. Where you go, y'all? Bulldozer, 2510, guys. Alright, 2510. Alright there, 220, you have a good one too. I don't want to be responsible. 220, 2510, your bulldozer right there, bomb bomb. Yeah, bulldozer, you take it. Right there, bulldozer, bulldozer, take care, 2510, guys. Yeah. Hey, bulldozer, mama, what a 199, you got conditions for down under? Alright there, mate. You have a good one. Everyone's got conditions today. It's hanging around, I don't know. We're looking at nearly 20 to 4 down under time. 220, have a good day. I'm cruising this thing on the big island. My double-headed snakes is over $2,000 with the 4-1. I'll see you guys. Alright there, 220, I'm waving my back with my 139. You'll cover $2,000, and my 139 just got down. Numbers, 2510, guys. Letters, D, 9, 10, 4. Number and a letter, sorry. Looking for Wally, 330 Wally, I'm here. He's tangled up in his antenna, bye. Hey, 2510, they're still working out which way they got to point it. Yeah, he might be talking to Japan now. I think he's talking to Tasmania now, bye. I'll put it right back in your radio. Yep, you put it right there, 220, right there, right now. He cannot now, he could, but cannot now. We did it.